Video lang to. I-on ko na to.
Good afternoon. My name is Marvin Kibutan and I will be your MC for the short ceremony. On behalf of the Manila Hotel's Executive Committee and the hotel staff, we would like to welcome our guests of honor, Honorable Mayor Francisco Escomo Moreno Tumagoso and Honorable Vice Mayor Mariah Sheila Hani Latunang Pangan. The lighting of the Manila Hotel Christmas tree has become a tradition over the years, usually officiated by the esteemed mayor of the city of Manila. This year, our celebration has decided to become much simpler in view of the current situation and of course giving way to the health protocols we all must adhere to. But undeterred by all these challenges, our simple tree lighting both mark the Christmas season and symbolizes the hope that things will get better in the days to come. With our theme this year, Pasko ng Pagkakaisa, we hope to bring everyone together to protect each other and help uplift one another to triumph over these circumstances. Without further ado, may we call on our guests to ignite a spark of hope and light up not only this beautiful tree and lobby, but all our hearts as well. We call on Honorable Mayor Escomo Moreno Tumagoso, Honorable Vice Mayor Hani Latunang, and the Manila Hotel President, Attorney Joey D. Dina. Let's light this tree and our countdown. Are you ready? Ready! Are you ready? Ready! Okay, let's start it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Maligayang Pasko ng Pagkakaisa sa ating lahat!
God first po, God first! God first!
Okay, we will now invite our esteemed guests for a simple afternoon snack featuring our Christmas iced tea that includes special puto bumbong and our signature bibingka Manila Hotel. This will be our entry to the City of Manila's Manila Restaurant Week June 9th season. Merry Christmas everyone and good afternoon.